Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad session expired issues in 2026. So if you keep getting logged out, your session expires too quickly, or you can't continue working on your document, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, refresh the page and try logging in again. Sometimes a temporary session glitch can trigger an early expiration message. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause session timeouts and disconnections. Now make sure you are not logged in on too many devices at the same time. Multiple active sessions can sometimes cause conflicts. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted session data is one of the most common reasons for repeated session expiration. Now try opening CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps identify whether the issue is related to your browser settings. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Privacy tools and script blockers can interfere with session authentication and keep logging you out. Now make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for best compatibility and security. Next, avoid leaving the tab idle for too long, since inactivity can sometimes cause automatic session logout. Now sign out of your account and sign back in to create a fresh session. Finally, restart your browser or device and try accessing CryptPad again to confirm the issue is resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad session expired issues. Now your session should stay active and stable while you work. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.